of all, here in the City Museum, can you tell us the history of Senj?
Senj je jedan od najstarijih hrvatskih gradova. Kažemo grad na kamenu, od kamena, ovdje kamenje govori.
It is one of the oldest town in Croatia. We say that it is a stone town because it is built on the stone and from the stone.
Njegova povijest traje od prapovijesti do naših dana.
The history of Senj lasts from prehistoric period up to date.
Pamti Ilire,
It remembers
Rimljane,
the Illyric tribes.
Bizant, Franačku,
Okay, the Byzantine style, Franks,
Mađarsku, Austriju,
Hungarian, Austrians,
Francusku.
France.
Svi su ostavili traga na licu Senja.
All of these people have left some traces on the face of Senj.
U jednoj rečenici predstaviti Senj bi moglo se da je to grad Bure.
It's difficult to say about history of Senj in one word, but what is most typical, we can say that Senj is the town of Bura.
Bura, Glagoljica,
Of Glagolitic
Uskoka,
letter, Uskoks,
biskupsko sjedište,
the bishop's center, a seat,
grad književnika pjesnika.
a town of writers and poets.
Jednostavno grad izmišljen za Hrvatsku i Europu i svijet, možemo kazati.
It is simple to say, maybe not very modest, but a place which is a dream for most Europeans and citizens of the world.
Evo jedan konkretan primjer.
Example.
Na primjer, Europa još nije otkrila Ameriku, a mi smo tu tiskali knjigu u 15. stoljeću.
That's what I say to my pupils. America was discovered in the 15th century, 1492, and we already had the period of Renaissance, and we already published the books.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Well, here we are in the Poet Park, right, of Senj, and we are at a famous statue of, it says, Hrvatski pjesnik Silve Strahimir Kranječević.
Easy for you to say.
Yeah, right. No, I probably butchered that. But in order for you guys to, you've been in Croatia for quite a few days now, and you're kind of learning some of the sounds and how the letters are pronounced. So we thought it would be fun if we have not a competition, but an experience of you all reading 2 lines of this poem, which is called Senjograd, so town of Senj, right? Right? Okay. So we're going to start with Mike over here. You're going to read the first 2, and we'll go down the line with the journalists, each reading 2 lines. So Mike, take it away.
Senjograd, Chile. Značaj zamaj plamenit. Kaže gunit krenajata.
Very good, good. Okay. Anna?
Navraniku lav gorjen Peter nav svi grad.
Very good.
Vedro cielo, kaže šmijelo.
Aha, super. Okay.
Skoczki si strojan lik. Groz wiekowy.
Stare nove, za zoblu, muneček.
Very good. Very impressive.
No, it's Italiano.
Great. Well, guys, very good. Pretty soon, before you know it, we'll all be writing our poetry in Croatian. We've been inspired by Senj.
Patriotic, very patriotic poem.
Yeah.
I see that we're here in this, on top of this beautiful fortress, and it looks great. The view is amazing.
It's really nice.
And I see it's in really good condition. So then, but has it always been like this? Has it been restored recently?
Tvrđava Nehaj, spomenik kulture najviše kategorije, sagrađena 1558. godine za potrebe.
The fortress of Nehaj, which we are standing at the top of, is a monument of the first category, and it was built in
558.
1558.
Za par godina je sagrađena.
16th century, and it was built just in few years.
Oh, wow.
Ali za kratko vrijeme je sagrađena jer da bi ona tako brzo bila sagrađena bilo je potrebno srušiti sve spomenike, sakralni, profan izvan zidina grada jer su Turci već ugrožavali grad.
Okay, the explanation why it was built in few years. Because for the need of the defense from the Turks, they needed quick building, but to find all this stone that it was built from, all the churches and buildings in Senj were destroyed, and the stone from the buildings down was used to build this fortress.
Okay.
Ona više nije za ratne svrhe, nego mirnodopske, odnosno spomenik kulture i služi za muzejsku galerijsku djelatnost.
It is not, of course, used anymore for the war period, but it is a monument, a cultural monument of the first category, and today we have exhibitions and cultural events are taking place in it.
And perfectly situated with a spectacular view. This is really nice. Now this wind that we're feeling up here too, is this the Bura?
Yeah,
The Bura that's coming through?
ovo Bura što sad osjećamo, pa baš i nije čisto, ali
Kad bude velika bura,
A big Bura.
it's not the clear Bura, because if it were, you wouldn't be here.
Ah, it would blow us off. There's something pretty special here about Senj, and we are all going to cross the 45th parallel together. So right here, so let's all stand in a line and we'll walk across it together, okay? Right. I don't know, let's do left first. Okay. Left, right. Okay. How does everyone feel? Any different?
Warmer.
A little bit more wind here. I don't know.